And happy new year. Welcome to the first 99 cent only store haul for this year 2018. What's up, everyone? Let's just go ahead and get started. Well, for you newbies, hey folks, hey my folks, welcome. All my original folks, how have y'all been? I hope everyone had wonderful holidays. Hope everyone had a wonderful new year. Hope you guys had a wonderful new year, all that great stuff. Let's get some good things rolling here in 2018. You guys know we have an extremely busy household, extremely busy lifestyle. So this is I think we're still in week 1 of December. Well, technically, yes, we're still in week 1, so we're good. You guys might get this until week 2 though, because I upload on Tuesdays. To you newbies, this is a haul that I do from things I purchased at a store called the 99 cent only store to sustain and get good stuff to my really large family, but at a bottom dollar best price. So let's just jump right on into it. Let's go ahead and start over here with things that are not food. I just got some regular old paper cups. If you guys can see those, they're like blue Soho cups, I guess. But this is an 18 count plastic cups. This is a pineapple slicer. Unlike the pineapple core thingy where it just pulls out the core, this it's $1.99 for instance. Let's see here. This is, it has instructions. There's a picture, 1, 2, 3, it's supposed to come out just like that. If you guys want to see videos of things I purchased and tried at the 99 cent store, just leave a comment down there. Please follow our family vlog to see what's up with us and what's going on. And also hit that bell over there. So whenever I upload a video, you will get it. Okay, moving on. But leave a comment and all that good stuff if you do want to see when I buy products from the 99 cent store and how they work, the review on them. Toilet tissue. This is a staple in our household because the toilet tissue works very well for us. Staple in our household, it does us very well. It is gym time, not just because it's the first of the year, but because mommy is 9 weeks, 2 months postpartum. And it's about that time to get rid of the little muffin top and get back in shape and get some energy. Reynolds wrap, the 18 feet, 99 cents. As you can see, this is $1.99. Anything in this store that is over 99 cents will be labeled with a yellow label, okay? And everything else will be 99 cents or less. We've got some parchment paper for baking and stuff like that. That was 99 cents. These are Staples, the bags. These are the holiday edition. These are Staple Rip Pack brand sandwich bags, gallons, 15 of them. But this is the holiday edition, so it's so freaking cute. I always get them, but they didn't have the holiday. They have a holiday edition this year, so way cute. These are snack bags. You've got a 50 count of snack bags, only 99 cents. Each one of these items were 99 cents a piece, okay? Don't put that on the ground, Donovan. We've got Nutri-Grain bars that are 8 count, strawberry, 99 cents. Oh, and batteries. I just got 4 batteries. Normally they have a really big pack. I think it's like, I don't know, maybe 24 batteries for like $1.99, but they didn't have that pack right now, so, but we needed a few AA batteries, so I just grabbed this 4-pack right here for 99 cents. Box of Wheat Thins and Special K granola bars. These are a 4 count, I believe, a piece, and they were actually 99 cents a piece. Oh, no. This one is 5 bars. And the one down here is actually, let's take a look too. So this is a 5 count and this is a 6 count box. These are 99 cents a piece. We've got Holiday Captain Crunch, regular size box right here, 99 cents a piece. You guys know it takes 2 to fill up our little cereal bin, so that's why we have 2 there. Ritz crackers, these are the original Ritz crackers. Regular size box is going to run you anywhere from like $3 and up in a regular retail store. Only 99 cents, so we got 2 of those. We got the Swiss chocolate cocoa. We keep these. They didn't have the ones with the marshmallows, but we have our own mini marshmallows. This is a 6 count, 99 cents. They did have a Brut champagne there. I thought it was leaking. That's why I tore off the gold paper at the top. But it wasn't leaking. It was just something thawing out that was in the bag with it. This is the brand of the champagne. And I had a taste for mimosas. So I'll probably end up... Sit down. And thank you. I'll probably end up doing mimosas with those. That's what I got it for anyway. The apples, we've got green apples and this, I'm sorry, the champagne was actually $2.99. Okay. We've got whole grain premium saltine crackers. You know, this whole box is 99 cents. A bag of frozen edamame. This is a really big bag, actually. This is, let's get it together here, 12 ounces for 99 cents. The apples, the bag of apples, look at all these like lunch pail sized apples. There's quite a few apples in here. These are a staple at our house, but they actually have the green apples this time too. $1.99 a bag. Like I said, it is smoothie shake, get your life right time. So they have this original Mansi premium calamansi juice drink, just to add to a smoothie or green juice or something like that. They had these two for $1, so this was only 50 cents. Looking forward to trying this. And that fruit is native to the Philippines. A staple in our household, the mushroom Del Monte. The Del Monte tomato sauce, 99 cents. Am I forgetting anything over here? Yes, bagels. We're just doing a little bit of carbs with kids because Dad and I are on a pretty strict meal plan at the moment. Guess what they had, guys? Oranges. They had a bag of oranges for $1.99. There's at least a good 7 oranges in here, regular size oranges, good quality, good condition, only $1.99 for this bag as well. Staple in our household, the frozen egg rolls. These are a 10 count of all vegetarian spring rolls. Excuse me, not egg rolls, but spring rolls. Meatballs, the boys, they're just in love with these meatballs. This is the Italian, this is the home style. They have home style and Italian. As you can see, this is labeled for $2.99. These are chicken and beef, no pork. And you can, when you read the ingredients, you know what all is in it. So that's why I love the meatballs. That is going to conclude our 99-cent only store haul for January. As you guys can see, I'm actually like trying to put away the Christmas decorations. I'm behind, but I'm making it happen, right? 2018. It's going to be efficient. It's going to be successful. It's going to be productive. And we're going to achieve a lot this year. Looking forward to spending the year with you guys. Until next time, don't forget to follow our family vlog channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell over there. And until next time, guys, there's more to life than you know. Be good to each other. Karma and life will be good to you. Be blessed. Keep the Lord first in your life. Until next time, ciao.